Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about how to apply Bioderm on the face step by step. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First, we have to cleanse our faces. You can use any facial cleanser that is appropriate for your skin type. Splash your face with lukewarm water. Then get an ample amount from your facial cleanser. Spread it gently onto your face in a circular motion for 20 seconds in the morning and 60 seconds in the evening. Then rinse it off. Step 2. While your face is still damp, put a blend moisturizer on the entire face and let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. It will serve as a buffer when applied before the Bioderm to decrease or prevent irritation. Step 3. Put a pea-sized amount of Bioderm on your index finger and apply it to your face using the 13 dot technique. I'm putting 3 dots on my forehead, 3 dots on my right cheek, and another 3 dots on my left cheek, 2 dots on my nose, and 2 dots on my chin since I'm having pimples in these areas. Use a gliding motion to spread it evenly on your face. I learned this 13 dot technique from Dr. Sam. She is a cosmetic dermatologist in the UK. There are no strict rules here. When in doubt, consult your doctor or a professional.